Mobile and online banking users expect a frictionless experience when accessing apps, services, and content on their smartphones. To deliver secure, flexible, and convenient mobile banking services that inspire confidence, banks must provide adaptive security. HID Approve is a multi-factor authentication solution that uses push notifications to allow financial and banking users to approve their transactions on a mobile device. Securely activate the device by scanning a QR code. At the time of authentication, a push notification is sent to the registered mobile device, ready to be approved or declined by a swipe to approve gesture. HID Approve works even when no network coverage is available. Secure Code one-time password is time or event-based and is available for offline scenarios. When making an online transaction, a push notification is sent to the registered mobile device for validation. Transactions can be approved or declined by a swipe gesture. Users can access multiple services, each with their own unique set of credentials. Out-of-the-box customization enables banks to personalize the user experience without the need to build and maintain a custom mobile app. This reduces the total cost of ownership. Users can register multiple phones and tablets across multiple mobile platforms, including Android and iOS. Multilingual support is available for over 15 languages. An easy two-step gesture ensures actions are intentional and deliberate, reducing unintended validation results. HID Approve conforms to industry-defined security best practices and is backed by third-party penetration tests and independent audit reviews. To log in or make a transaction using online banking, a request is sent to the authentication server where a push notification is triggered and sent to the registered mobile device by the iOS or Android push notification service. No personal identifiable information is included in the push notification. Transaction details are securely passed between the mobile device and the server over an out-of-bounds secure channel. This prompts the user to validate their login request by a swipe gesture. Once approved, the authentication server triggers a verification response to the banking application, and the login is successful. HID Approve offers greater flexibility, convenience, and unparalleled security. To find out more about HID Approve, visit hidglobal.com.